Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So welcome back to my channel. This is another vlog that I'm starting today and I'm excited. I should have started this vlog yesterday, but I didn't find the time. But I was just indoors. But I thought I would start this vlog today with since I have my sister. There she is. Imagine. She finally said hi. And this is my sister's kid, my child as well. She's Chalma. You haven't met her. She's still haven't introduced her to my channel. So we came to see mom and dad, and so I'll catch you just shortly. But I should have started yesterday because there are some things I need to do with you guys. But video. So the lighting in this house is just amazing. Just this is just where the window is. This lighting is because this is the window and the whatever is open, the door is open. So as I was saying, I am here with my sisters and my other sister's child. She's big. So I thought I would start this vlog today because yesterday I didn't manage to, and then I was speaking without knowing I didn't press the button, the record button. So I don't even know what we will do after, like, when we are out of here, but I could go with them to have some coffee or lunch, or I don't know, but that's probably what we will do. But then I also wore the belt. This belt, it's one of the belts that I got, the smaller one. It looks so dope, and then I tucked in this t-shirt, which I hardly do with my clothes. I never ever tuck in, but that's just me. I just like leaving it free even when I'm wearing belts. But today I thought I would tuck in for a different look, because this is the look you will always find me in: a t-shirt, a jeans, and then sneakers or flat shoes. That's it, from Monday to Friday. You all know that. But we came to see before the tenants start coming in, because now everything is finished. If you've watched my other video, then you know that I was given the contract to do the paint here. I also got paid. I was given the contract to paint, so they had come to see the final job that the guys did, and it's amazing, it's dope. So and then I'll catch you later, maybe, because I don't know if I'll vlog throughout the day, but there are some things I need to do with you guys in the house. So
first. And I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you feel it's me, if you feel I'm the one, it's gonna need to make a way for me to see. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end, and I'll always be right by your side. But
Hey guys, what's up? So it's the next day. Today is on Wednesday. I'm cooking and I wanted to show you what I'm cooking. I am making we call them machakula. Okay, well, hiyo ni Kiswahili, but there's a way we call them, me and hubby tunazitaga mashakura. Yeah, and so what you need for the mashakura, sounds weird even saying it, is meat iko kwa jiko. Let me just show you. I've never even actually showed you nikipika na jiko. So ndio hii hapa jiko yangu. This is my meat boiling, and it needs to be very the meat needs to be very soft. Jakatakata nyanya, but you need onions, and lots of onions. You need spinach, lots of spinach as well, because it's more of soup and dipping everything inside. And now tomatoes, but today we want to add butternut. Yeah, butternut, but only the hard part hapo juu kwenye kuna kuaga like it's all round. That's the part we want to use for the soup now, so that the soup is thick and also to add more nutrients. We've never ever added butternut, and this is the other part that remained from the butternut. This will cook chapatis. So yeah, and so yeah, I probably will be back to show you everything when it's cooked. So yeah, and this is my pineapple here. I wanna have some, eat some as I edit a video, because today I've just been indoors and the kids are outside playing. So yeah, it has just been a very boring and yeah, day to say the least. I'm just making myself some water right now because I've already finished some. So let me show you how I make this water of mine, because I've been meaning to come and show you, but I haven't had time to sit and show you. The other one I'm using for something, I need my cutter and I need I was recently doing research on these cucumbers, and they have so many benefits, so which is why, and my kids have been eating these ones so much. I went to the market, I think it was last week on Friday, yes, and I got so many of this, and I think around 3 are remaining because my children have been eating them just like that. It's lemon water with cucumber, and yeah, but today I want to spice it up kidogo by adding ginger water. I have some ginger water right here, but I need to save it. Don't get me. I've been loving ginger water as well. Pamoja na lemon, and this is hot water here inside. Now all I need is some lemon. So let me get her. Honestly, I don't know if I can survive without lemons, because these things spice up your water. Just the right amount of it will make your water so tasty. So if you don't love water, in fact, one way to make yourself drink water, add some lemon to it. So here it is. Oh my gosh, this is so bomb. It's so good. Just the right amount of ginger, the right amount of hotness, because the water, as I said, is hot, literally hot. But I added some cold ginger water. This is so good. It's good. It's good. This will literally make your skin glow. You've been wondering what I do. By the way, today I didn't even do my morning routine here because I didn't go anywhere. But every day I do it. Anyway, this is my bare face, not even sunscreen today, and I haven't even left the house. So, and then you should try it. You all should try this. It's good. Cheers. So guys, it's currently very late. I think it's around 9 or 10, but this is it. This is what we have. The soup is amazing. The meat is so tender and everything. So anyway, let me catch you tomorrow. Good night.